the next thing I really want to share with you, and one thing that I've been really sort of talking about a lot lately, is Ethereum. One of the things that I've been talking about now, and if you've been watching my videos now for the last couple of weeks, you know I've been mentioning Ethereum a lot lately. Okay? And Ethereum right now, to me, is just starting to break out. And I believe Ethereum is on the verge, on the cusp. Right? On the cusp. Look at today's nice big candle here. It's on the cusp of a really big breakout. And I see Ethereum on its way up to $4,000 here. I believe right now we're holding through here. And as you can see, what's happening here on this chart is you can see it had a big flush down, then it had a big move back up. Now look what's happening. What is happening now? Now we're starting to get lows, right? Lows and higher lows. We're also getting this sideways pullback through here, and now it's starting to break up. Whenever we get these sideways patterns through here, it tells us that when the breakout happens, we're likely to see a really, really big move to come. And so not only that, but the reason why I've been talking about it, and I've been getting involved with it as well too about a week ago, and I've been talking about that on YouTube as well, is with Ethereum right now, this has also got a slingshot pattern. It's a slingshot pattern. And what a slingshot pattern is, I call it like you have a move up, and a slingshot pattern is, see, it goes there, and a slingshot pattern is here, see how it pulls back, and then it slings to the upside. Now we're in the mix of what's called a slingshot pattern, I believe. And then we're likely to see a nice move up. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of people make is they see that, they're like, oh, it's about to go straight up. It may or may not, right? It may or may not. We may have another down day through here, and then it goes up, and it goes up through there, and then has that through there, and then it goes up. Like you just... I'm confident in to see where this is likely to go over the next, say, 6 months or so, but I don't know how it's going to get there. And as you can see here from the past, from Ethereum is getting ready to have some serious moves, right? As you can see, we had that support level through there, also even through here, right? And now we're holding through here. So to me, Ethereum is about to play catch up, and this level up through here right now, we had this big false breakdown. Here we are here. I believe Ethereum is about to play some serious catch-up when it comes to these markets from here and what's happening here right now on Ethereum. And so again, I've been talking about that for a while right now. I got involved with Ethereum. Actually, if I go down to my 4-hour chart, I got involved with Ethereum back down through here, and now it's pushing back to the upside. And I do see there's a lot more to come when it comes to, I believe there's a lot more to come from there, from that perspective from there. So for me, guys, the way that I personally like to trade is I am not a day trader. I'm not after that. I'm after getting into trades like this here. And if I can hold it for 1, 2, 3 months and jump on a really big profit on one trade, now we're starting to talk about how I trade. That first link in the description there, guys, I teach you my trading system for free. And I've always found myself to, if I can get into Ethereum right now, which I am, I got into it about a week ago, by the way. And if I can hold that and have this as my risk, if this here is my risk, right? And if that there is my profit, now we're starting to talk about how do I win the game of trading with the risk to reward, right? Because there's no guarantees of making a profit. I do have my losses, but if I can have losses like this here and profits like this here, even if I'm 50-50 right, which I'm not, I'm a lot more higher than that, I'm going to have a good year, and I'm going to have a good successful trading career for the rest of my life.